Hello everybody, welcome to the stream. How's it going? Welcome Adam, Wise Demon. Grinding for money if I speak brutal truth. We are all grinding, man. We are all grinding. Not even crediting the author. I'm not trying to create drama, alright? I have money so I can probably pay for some lawyers and save my ass from the lawsuit that is going to happen because I allegedly stole a meme. But yeah, how's it going, guys? I'm having a very bad day. You're stealing my jokes. This is, I mean, you should know by now because I already told you that I might steal it, and then after you said you licensed your joke, so I don't know, man. What is that big ass bottle? It's not a bottle, it's a, I don't know. It was supposed to be a bottle, but it's missing the cap, or like the top, you know, the thing that you used to, whatever. This is what I used to drink water. Anyways, guys, so in this stream I want to review your project, all right? But I'm gonna prioritize the newcomers. So if you are new in the stream, just say hi, you know, and then you can not actually send links in the chat, but you can do something like wait, let me actually type it in. Hello, Emirhan, hoş geldin. Let me try to come up with some format here. So, submission, project, submission, send, repo, author. No, let's do some like this. Username and repo. Yeah, okay. The owner and project. Yeah, I was trying to come up with something like that, but okay, that actually makes sense. To submit projects, send to the chat. Just make a Google form. No. His project should be written in Rust. Well, no, there isn't. It shouldn't. Maybe I can review other languages too, but depends actually. If you send me something in JavaScript, I probably won't be able to review that. So, you know, I mean, I won't be able to review the code. I can take a look at your repo and stuff. Okay, there is no requirement. Just send the repo in this format. Sign owner project. All right, so this is the format. I'm gonna pin this. Yeah. Hello, GNUHS. How's it going, man? You can also make a Google form. Actually, Bon. Okay, I'm gonna take a look at that. But as I said, I'm gonna prioritize the newcomers in the stream. So I already know your project. Give me some time, all right? I think you'll understand. I'm not gonna do Google Forms, man. That's a bit too much. All right, who wants to be the first, apart from Vitaly? Actually, while we wait, I can take a look at Bon. But just feel free to send whatever you have. Doesn't have to be Rust, but if it's Rust, I will be able to review your code as well. Like not like review everything, but more like just taking a look at the code and seeing if there's any room for improvement and stuff like that. Not loyal to all subscribers, that's bad. Man, I just said that I'm gonna take a look at Bon. Maybe there is some delay. So, alright, Bon, not Bongo Cat. But now that I have this thing in my browser, maybe I can try this again. Guys, you guys know this website? I don't know why it's so fucking slow. Alright. Man, love that Insider merch. Thanks, man. We got the t-shirt right here. I should really create the merch shop very soon. I have some ideas, but yeah, it takes time. Fix the delay, it wasn't here before. I don't know what happened. I cannot change the latency because I need to recreate the stream. Automatic captions. It's there because there are like automatic captions for people, because some people actually said that there are no captions on the stream, and to be able to enable captions you have to set the stream delay to normal latency. Alright, cap is the wrong direction. Today we're doing different, like we're doing stuff differently. Alright, I don't have the usual GitCliff merch, I have the Binsider, I have the cap like this, not backwards. Today I'm a different person. I feel like a different person. So we're gonna, this is the Orhun V2, alright? Whether you like it or not, it's me. Okay. Should we take a look at the code now? I'm glad to hear that you guys like the merch. I want to... Well, I signed up for Shopify, but I need to figure that out somehow. I don't want to use Shopify, I want to create a terminal shop. But yeah. Alright, this is too much stuff in there, first of all. I definitely won't be able to take a look at everything. Wait, what am I doing? Yeah, I want to make the font size bigger, right? 14 would be nice. So I think I have it cloned. No, I don't have it. All right, whatever. The thing about Bon is I already took a look at it like a couple of times, because Vitaly is super what do you call, like he's grinding with this project, so like he's just writing blog posts and he's a good maintainer. So I actually read the blog posts and like tried it out and like dive into Coda a bit. So I know how it, I know what I'm expecting basically. So yeah. First of all, what is this directory, dude? What? 2 underscores. Vitaly, what is this? This is a big embarrassing workaround. Please don't oversee. This is a good start. Anyway, if you're curious what else is going on here, then here's an explanation. Okay, something just died. Actually, I don't want to run my LSP. LSP stop. It's none of your business. Alright, so the problem, prog attributes like, what? Get out of my face notification. Builder, CLD, config and config attribute unexpanded. Alright, so if you write something like this. Okay. Oh, I see. It's the prefix that you're kind of using for this workaround somehow. Man, that's too much macro stuff for today, actually. Yeah, I'll take a look at the project, Sorav. I butchered your name probably, but don't worry, I got you. I saw the message. So, okay, it's an old project, but the only one I got. Okay, fair enough. Oh my god, get out of my face. Like, what? What are these notifications, dude? I don't wanna... Right, migrate. What am I supposed to do here? Like, that... Okay, like, it looks okay to me. I don't want to just dive into details here. So if you want me to take a look at some specific part of it, just let me know. Because if we start going through everything, it's gonna take a lot of time. Or like, if you... What do you want me to take a look at here? Is there like specific thing that you want to get feedback? Because otherwise it's gonna take a lot of time. And I want to like be helpful here. I don't want to be nitpicky for no reason, you know. Hello, Conan. What was your name again? Zane? Jane? What was your name again, dude? Sorry. Since you have the Conan as a username here, I just want to call you Conan. Okay, but I know you. You're my homie. Don't forget to give our repo. What is this box? How did you do that? Is this a table? Just a start. Oh, nice. That's a nice trick, actually. I like it. I like using table as a box. So good idea. If you want subscribers, then start teaching Rust series for dummies. I don't think that's something that I will do. The cool thing is that when you type builder on a function and place your cursor inside, you get completions. You can try that. Okay. Should I try that on here or... And how did you do that? Were you able to test RevQ? Not yet. It's in my list. Don't worry. Anywhere in the test, for example. Okay, let's see. Let's go to the example. Okay, there are no examples directory at least. So here, this is builder. Okay, you're saying builder. Well, this is completing because of the copilot. Copilot, how can I disable this? I don't know how to disable copilot, by the way. Okay, not on structs. Oh, I see. So you want to... Oh. I see, so... What do you want me to type then? Builder... Okay, let me know. In the meantime, I'm gonna just check out the other project that was sent to chat, CSVR. Let's see. I'm gonna come back to Bon. Just need to. Okay, you already typed builder fn. Okay, so it's an attribute on a function. So I need to find a function somewhere. Okay, this is a function, so... No. What am I supposed to see here? Oh, these ones? Wait, these are actual completions, right? Nice. How did you do that? Is it? I think it's Rust Analyzer, right? But did you do something special for that? Very nice stuff, man. A command line tool that provides functionalities for parsing and manipulating CSV files in Rust. So this Rust command line tool, okay, features display, modify, delete, merge, sort and display, add. It's a library or... I can also use it as a binary too. Nice. Let's clone it. Let's generate some dummy code under rustlang that places tokens into use statements in this into array. Okay, that sounds like quite a good workaround, but nice. So CSVR. Let's build it. Missing argument file name. Let's I just blindly run the binary, by the way. I don't get backdoored, alright? You kind of printing like custom tables or something like that. Oh, these are... So one feedback that I want to give to you, you can use something like a colored crate for getting rid of these ANSI, not ANSI, but like these and probably ANSI escape codes. So you can use this crate. You can use this crate. And what you're gonna do is basically, instead of doing this, oh, you didn't want to use third-party library. Okay, that's totally fine. Just a tip. You can just call some function on a string with this library. It's quite nice. And I think there was another one, uvu colors. Yeah, this one. Zero allocation thermal colors that'll make people go uvu. Alright, nice name. Quite Gen Z. I like it. Can we get uvus in the chat? No, please no. So yeah, that's that. Let me see your structure. File data utils, CSV file, okay. I feel like you're constantly calling the std in. Like I see you call it multiple times. Maybe create a function for that, you know? People just... Guys, stop the uvus, please. No, stop. Oh my god. I wasn't serious, but alright. I'm gonna join the party. So, std in readline. So create a function for that, because you're calling this multiple times in the code. And it will be nice to have a function, because you're just gonna read a line from std in, right? So yeah. Alright. Traits. Is this the default implementation? Why these are empty though? If you're just not gonna use them, you can simply just remove the inner of the function. I think this looks better. Yeah, if you're using this like this, then why? If you're not, then just remove the return type. That's better. And let's see what else you did. Actually, why can't you just derive EQ on this, or just partial EQ? What was the issue that you hit? You can probably just derive it, right? I don't know. Maybe I'm missing something there. All right, more repository submissions. I'm gonna check them out as well. I haven't run this project yet. I'm gonna quickly do that. Okay, command. Maybe move this outside of source if you're not using it, or if are using it. Include string maybe. All right, so let's run it. I like how you got no dependencies, by the way. I like it. Where is the example? My CSV. More arguments than required, huh? Wait, what do you mean? Are you... Okay, 1 second. So this gives you like a prompt to do certain things on the CSV file. You can run help. It's colored as well, nice. Merge, right? Okay, I see. It's a quite good project, I think. You probably need to just smoothen the rough edges, and I think it's a cool project. Nice, good job. My score for this is, I think, 9 out of 10. 9 because of my previous comments, but you can probably just say fuck off and do not care about my comment here, but good job, man. So let's take a look at this one. Wait, deliverance. Check out the query resolver. Okay, let's see. Query resolver. Takes a query, matches that. I feel like you are simply doing string parsing here. So what I would do is create an enum for these different commands and implement from string on their enum, and you will probably end up with something better and something more unit testable, something more modular, you know. And based on the enum types, you can again match, but like take out the inner of the match and maybe create a function for what I'm saying is basically take this part out of a function and then unit test it. That would be a better thing, because I mean this function is too long, you see, like there's too many things in there. So gotta refactor that a bit, and maybe use errors and return the errors instead of returning nothing. So yeah, this is a 1 second. Okay, this is a bit of a mess because of the ANSI escape codes, and that's why I actually recommended you to use colored early returns, no nested matches. All right, cool. Just gonna move on to Leverance. Did you just push this 2 minutes ago? No description. Next gen what is this? Something as a service. Platform as a service for developers and startups. It's built on Docker Swarm, Traffic, using trusted technologies to make deployment fast and easy. Service handles complex parts so developers can deploy and update projects quickly without hassle. Alright, what am I gonna check here? Just the code, or I don't think I can try it out right now. By the way, if you Alexander, if you talking about the television that is built with Ratatui, I loved it, man. If you're the author, like, shout out to you. Really like that one. I shared it on socials today, so good job. Wait, I have already some docs. If you wanna, what projects that in root docs, and quick start. Yeah, I cannot really test this out right now. It requires me to have some servers or just run some servers probably, or run some services. So I don't have the capacity to do that in the stream. But let's take a look at the overall structure. So you have scripts. This looks quite a big of a project, to be honest with you. You have some website code as well, but CLI is important. So let's see. You're using defer with the scope guard, probably nice. Tokyo as well. My only critic, or like only thing that I want to say, is there are like no comments in the code. If you had comments, that this will be perfect. LSP stop actually. Thanks for the review. No problem, man. I hope it was helpful. I'm trying to give some helpful insight. There are comments here, but it's in which language is this? I don't know. So just missing comments, I think. Otherwise, looks like a backend service. So I mean, it's hard to get that one wrong when you use a framework. So yeah. What is that OK macro? What was it? I missed it. Where was it? Okay. Oh my god. All right, let's see. There's an interesting thing here. Okay. Yeah, it's a bit confusing. It's very hard to. It's very easy to miss actually, because it looks like a typical OK, but it's actually not. Did you define this somewhere? Yep. Oh, it just returns the result, like result as a OK. So, yep. Okay. Again, there are some comments, but in some language that I don't know. But overall, I think the structure is good. It's missing some comments, like I don't understand what's going on. I can see that it's a backend service. It's quite hard to figure it out though. It needs some unit tests and some architecture document as well, because when you have like a big project like this, it usually helps to have architecture MD, where you have the mermaid diagrams and like maybe some kind of other type of diagrams, and you can simply like show the architecture to people. But right now I don't know what to look for actually. I'm not sure. Oh, we have a server too. Let's see. It's actx. You have main generate random string. Maybe move this to a util function or something. It looks a bit odd to have a random string generator in the main, you know. But it's fine, just a nitpick. These are the endpoints. You have the repo. There are some like warnings as well. Would be nice to handle them. So deploy tests, queries. This is interesting. Why do you need this actually, cron? Where can I pass my repo to you? Review, or just give me the name of, like, give me your username and the name of the repo. If you paste the link, it won't work. So that's what we're doing right now. Just give me your username and the repo name. All right, but I guess that's all I'm gonna say for this. Definitely needs, I need definitely some more context to comment more on this. So right now I'm just gonna pass this one, but overall looks like a cool project. I'm gonna watch your releases. Actually, I'm gonna watch everybody's releases in the stream. What was the other one? CSVR. Oops, sorry for the flashbang. I'm gonna watch the releases and I'm gonna make sure you guys did the improvements. All right, just take me seriously. Just kidding, you don't have to. All right, watch the release. You said something about Bon. I forgot to brag, but Bon is now the most stored Rust builder macro repo in the world since 2 days ago. Congrats, man. That's quite a good achievement. That's very nice. And good job with it. I mean, it's solid. It's solid. Where is the... Okay, I'm gonna scroll up a bit. There is one from Conan. I'm gonna see that one. Q there. Linux diagnostic agent. I wanna really get cooked by you. No, man. We just chill today, alright? I'm very chill today. I'm not in the like... This is the new me, alright? I have the cat on my t-shirt. This means that I gotta chill. I don't have the backwards hat. If I had the backwards hat, then you should be worried. But for today, we just chill. All right, quick directory generator. First of all, let me watch the releases. Start 2. I like how you have like you're following some standard with your projects, so you probably have a template or something like that. It's quite nice to see. It's very I cannot find a word. Oh my god. It's very consistent. You have release please, you have the gifs and so on, so really nice queue there. So set depth for nested directories. Oh, okay, this is useful. So you can, it's a directory helper, I think. Let's see. Let's clone it. Hey Transistor, how's it going? Orhun slowly turns into Primogen. What do you mean? No, I'm not. Maybe I am. You never know. Alright, so... You know what? I'm gonna first run it and see what it feels like. Okay, this will just give me some random directory, right? Okay, cool. I like how it's straightforward. Good job with that. You don't get an error when you just run it without arguments. That's cool. It just creates the directory though. Okay, that's also fine, I guess. Pet. You know what I would recommend? Maybe you want to avoid dependencies. I'm not sure if you want, but there's pet name. Great. For this purpose. Very convenient. You can... what are you guys talking about? The Orhun not wrong. What is going on, guys? Yeah, you can basically use the pet name if you wanna like get rid of a custom generator. But this is super fine. Like, I'm fine with this one. Dude, keep up. You're gonna be visible on the internet so soon. Good instinct. Do I want to be visible? Yeah, maybe. It's the internet. You're lacking unit tests. Please, unit tests would be nice. Also, I'm not sure if you want to make the random function public. Do you want it? Like, because it's returning a string, and you probably won't need this from... You don't want the library consumers to use this thing, so I would probably make it private. I mean, why would you expose a random string generator from a directory helper project, right? So yeah, instead of having so many arguments, create a struct, something like this, and just pass in the struct. It's way more convenient that way. Just imagine you're using this library. Just imagine that you're using this as a library. In that case, it will be better. Like, you don't have to provide each parameter. Maybe implement default on the struct, so yeah, it's just easier, you know. This is the main logic. In main, it's parsing the arguments. I would use that to another function, but it's fine here too, I guess. And that's it, I guess. Really really simple, really convenient tool. I like it. Very consistent with your other projects. You have all the other convenient tools being used, mainly Gitcliff. In case you don't know, Gitcliff is a nice project. It was created by someone very cool, and it's for changelog generation. So yeah, Qt was my first project in Rust. Then it's a good job, man. Good job. Yeah, good stuff. You probably see the stuff that I mentioned now because you spend more time with Rust, but for a first Rust project, I think it's good. So yeah. All right, moving on. Who was the next? One second. Let me find the other package builds. No, I'm not gonna review the package builds, dude. That's just packages. Package builds 10 out of 10, by the way. Television. So television is from Alexander. I love it. I fucking love it, man. I'm gonna be honest with you. I don't know why I didn't get the get television. Yeah, it's a great project. I like it. I packaged it for Arch, so yeah. I mean, I have it installed. I haven't used it. Actually, that's what I want to ask you. Why are you not gonna review my package builds? Okay, I will. Because Simon asked for it. For package manager. So I want to ask you, if you're still here, Alexander, how can I integrate this into my Neovim? Because I want to use it, let's say. Is that right now possible? It would be nice to have it there, running. Instead of just running inside a terminal, you know? It would be nice to have it there. But yeah, I already have it, actually. And in case you're wondering, it looks like this. Oh, another feedback. So you have some paddings, right? But on a small terminal, it gets a bit like the UI becomes too small. So maybe check for the terminal size and remove the padding in some cases. So right now it's good, but make it small, it's not good. So, you know, like based on the terminal size, just set the padding. That would be nice. What else I want to show you? So this thing is very interesting because it has the remote stuff happening in there. I don't know if you see it, but my only problem with TV is it's got an absolute delusion of dependencies. Yeah. I mean, yep. You may change that using the config. Oh, I didn't know that. That's nice. But overall, I think it's a nice project. I don't want to dive too much into the details because I know that you are using something called channels, and then there's some details to that, you know. They're like transitions. Where was it? You mentioned it somewhere, right? Yeah, the channels. So on-air trade. Actually, I can take a look at the on-air trade now that you mention it in the README. Interface that all television channels must implement. Interesting. I believe someone is trying to build a Vim plugin for it. That's nice. So find results, get result. Okay. I like how you make this thing generic. It's nice. So this one is the possible things that we can select. Environment, files, git repos. Nice. Wait, TV is based on telescope and now someone wants to turn it back into a Vim plugin? Well, my initial thought was, let me use this instead of telescope. You know? Because it seems better than telescope. I mean, so many dependencies though, but there's not much that you can do about it, so why do you need libc? Just for exit failure, just return 1 maybe. Not sure if you want the libc in your dependencies, but yeah, it's fine. It's not like something super serious. Television fuzzy. Okay, it's good. 10 out of 10. The comments are there. There's like so many explanation of what's going on in there. If I start reading the code, I would probably understand, and if I want to contribute, I would probably do that very quickly because you documented everything. Everything seems clear. What do you have in builder-s? Okay. You even have the flakes, like the Nix flakes and everything. That's cool. Oh, you have a to-do as well. Maybe make this thing more visible, man. I don't know. Just put it in README somewhere, like in the README, but like a span of like a collapsible, like what do you call it? You know, the thing that you click and it like expands and like collapses and so on. Maybe use that. I don't know, but it's fine. Good job, love it. Keep it up. Alright, I already watched the releases of that. Why choose derive instead of builder for clap? Xflex. Package builds, guys. I'm gonna very quickly take a look at the package builds because I guess you guys wanna see some package builds review from me. I'm gonna deliver. Initially I didn't want to do this because I deal with these files all day, every day. And god damn it, Atom package builds. What are, first of all, why do you have the exclamation mark? Yeah, the spoiler block, I guess. Why do you have the exclamation mark in the script? And where? Oh my god, dude, come on. Come on. Also, I like how you're using your own tool here. Exclamations are a long story. Okay, I won't ask about it then. Then util, let's see. Oh, you're echoing some stuff in there. Rust flags. Oh, why do you need them? Maybe add a comment about explaining why you need these, because it's very hard to figure out. Because I'm not familiar with the project itself. I mean, they look okay, I guess. Just Rust packages. You don't. It's hard to get that thing wrong, you know, because it's just cargo. Cargo is great. This is another Rust package though. I don't know what's going on in there. Quarantine. Okay, you made this thing accordingly to the AUR wiki, the package guidelines. So all good, man. All good. Not sure about the scripts though. I don't know why to use them and why exclamation marks. Yeah, whatever. Like. Not bash, but use whatever you have, but the env maybe. I don't know. It's nitpicking bash or like shell scripting is not something that I want to do right now. Okay. Let's move on. If you're asking about the score, since you're using Arch, by the way, it's 10 out of 10. Let's see. I'm just gonna scroll up. We got Loglux. Alright, I'm gonna actually just pull up everything on my browser because it's hard to just scroll up. Linux Diagnostic Agent. Dorm. Alright, what else? What else do we have? Okay, I guess that's it. If I skipped you, just let me know. My first ever Rust code written used to lab on numerical analysis. Okay, let's take a look at that too, maybe. Alright guys. Loglux. Logarithmic brightness control. Oh, that's fancy. That looks fancy. I'm gonna watch your releases, man. Portable binaries to control brightness. As we approach darker and darker brightness values, the control steps get smaller and smaller. Nice. It's perfect for us creatures of the night who get to sleep watching Rust streams in complete darkness at 1 AM, as it allows us to make the laptop screen really dark. Okay. Okay, nice. I like the idea. Idea-wise, 10 out of 10. Let's see the code. You're using Gitcliff. I just increased your score to 11 out of 10. Good job. Alright, already read this. Is it hosted on GitLab? Why do you have Renovate? Can we use... Okay, I think Renovate is also on GitHub. Sorry. Okay, CLI. Sys class backlight. I don't know if I have this one though. Let me check. Oh no, what's going on? Yeah, I have something in there, so yeah. Controller. And you're calling notify send here. There might be some libraries to handle that. Maybe use them instead. I don't like shelling out to other processes in Rust code, but if it works fine, then it's fine, I guess. Also, like sudo. This is kind of bad. I would probably find something else here because you don't know if there's sudo on the system. Maybe there is another like permission manager, like some user management thing in the system, so you don't know. T is okay, but sudo t no. This would cause some issues. So yeah. Max brightness. Okay, quite straightforward. Stepper. Okay, this is where the logarithmic thing is happening, probably. You have the unit tests for this. Nice. I actually want to try it out now. It's definitely going away next release. What happens if I delete your Rust toolchain file? Because I don't want to install another toolchain. Missing mode. What do you mean? Up, down. Okay, up. Yeah, that's, you see, like, I don't want to type in my password to this process, but 1 second. Let me actually try it out off the stream first, and if it works fine, I'm gonna... Well, it didn't do anything. Oh, it works. Down, 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 down. You won't see it because it's on my display, on the screen of my laptop, but it works. It works. Good job. Hey Orhun, would you consider giving a class on Ratatouille? I would be happy to do that. I actually gave a workshop. 1 second, let me... Yeah, I tried out the up and down, it worked. Nice. I might actually replace my... What was it? Light? I'm using light as a brightness setter. So I might replace that with this now. So, nice. Good job. What I was saying is I created the Ratatouille workshop thing. It's under rustlang 2024 Ratatouille workshop, and you can get an idea of what a Ratatouille class would look like from this, but this is not super complete. It's complete, but it needs some improvements. So this might be a good start. Maybe if you can just try it out, and yeah. And in this workshop, you're building this chat application in the terminal. So yeah. All right. Instead of deleting Rust toolchain file, you can use rustap override set stable. Good idea. Archtrip row status. Do you want me to review my own project? Okay, Linux diagnostic agent. It's Go. Oh my god. Okay, 0 out of 10. Get out of my face. It's bad. No, I'm just kidding. I'm just gonna clone it. Guys, it's fine. All right. Go is not a bad language. I like how you have very detailed diagrams here. All right. There isn't much in there actually. Just main file. Okay, let's see the agent. Guys, I don't know Go, so I cannot really comment on the code. But it would really help to have some demonstration like GIF here. I mean, to understand what this looks like, I need to read through these probably. You know, I don't really understand them right now. You have the network request. You know, you gotta decipher them, so to speak. So just add something to showcase, because that's what I can just review now. I cannot review your Go code, sorry. But overall, it looks like any Go project. I created some Go projects in the past, and it looks like them pretty much. I like how you have structures. It's not bad. Like, I'm not saying it's bad, but yeah. Rover is shaking. Maybe instead of sudo, could also ask people to set up UDA rules to allow regular use of the... Yeah, that's a good idea too. Gotta go. Good night, people. Good night, YZ1. Take care. Alright, that's all I'm gonna say, basically. Would love to see some releases here as well, because it looks like you have a lot of stuff going on. So yeah, Dorm. Dorm is an opinionated business entity framework for Rust. Right off the bat, lots of words, I don't understand them, but okay, start it. Watch the releases. Designed to simplify. There was a little internet issue that I had, but I should be back now, so yeah, it happens, guys. Okay. Alright, I think I'm back now. Sorry for the interruption, but we're gonna just continue where I left off. So, Dorm, let me just clone this actually. Thanks for looking into Dorm. Look for examples if you can. I worked on Dorm for half a year. Okay, I'll look. Adam, I'm not ignoring your messages. It's quite hard to sync with the chat while I'm doing something, so just show your messages, but I'll check your merge requests. All right, 1 second. I'm gonna pull up the Patrick's app here. So let's take a look at the examples. It's for business things, right? So business things, I don't have much idea about them. Like this says too much text. I need to just go. Okay, simple example. Good. Client. Feels like a database. Some examples with business entities. Real life example. Okay. Dorm is inspired by agile data from agile toolkit. Okay. CD examples. Is Dorm something like agile or is this truck ads doing? I don't know, maybe. So is Dorm something like agile, or is this your like? What I'm asking is basically, you know, agile is a known practice. Is Dorm something like that, or is this just your project like that, you know? But I guess it's just a library for managing business entities, which I don't know what that is, but it seems super abstract to me right now. To be able to understand the use case for this, I need to be in your position, I think, a little bit. So yeah, abstraction of data. Okay, you see, like I need to have your experience with the business management and stuff like that. Because I'm right now having a bit trouble seeing where this can be helpful. Bakery model. Okay, let's see that one. Let's see. Sorry, I missed your message. All right, soft delete. Create a database. In this example, we will be interacting with records and testing conditions. Okay, this is better. This is a better thing to look at. If you're starting with the products and adding a single product, after adding a nuclear sandwich, after soft deleting, okay. Well, the code looks very good. I'm just gonna say that. Looks very understandable, very straightforward. I see. Is this using an actual database under the hood? Yeah, it's using the Postgres. Okay, this is like this makes more sense now. This makes more sense. I like it. Nuclear sandwich, yum yum. Okay, so it's like connecting to a database, and you can perform some operations using Dorm. I guess that's if that's the gist of it, I guess. Nice, man. It looks very convenient. I don't have a specific use case for this right now because yeah, I'm not doing any database related things these days, but yeah, I can't really ask a question or like give feedback on that side. Sorry. Arc new box new is a bad pattern. There's a Clippy link called redundant allocation that catches that. Interesting. Let's take a look at that one real quick. No, not this one. Clippy links. Checks for usage of redundant allocations anywhere in the code. Okay, I was expecting to see an explanation why arc new box new was inefficient, but okay. So source. So these are like the database entries, right? And then you use dorm to interact with the rest. Prelude, Postgres, okay. I see. Arcbox T is a double pointer. You can always replace it with arc. Okay, makes sense. Dude, one thing that I want to criticize about this, and I hope you won't get me wrong. I think you'll get me. So, for me, was not really in this field. It looks a bit hard to grasp this concept at first. So what I would do is I would probably move the example to here and give it like a very short introduction. Maybe like create like a step-by-step guide on how to use dorm in a specific case or something like that. That would really help, because this is a comment that I get for my projects as well. If you look at Kmon, this is bad. This is something bad, and this is something that I made as well. So now I'm not saying the project is bad, but the thing that I'm going to show you is bad. So you see, like, there is this demo which is nice, but then there's like a huge wall of text, and people have to scroll through all of this shit to get to the actually useful things, you know. So this is something I need to fix as well, and I realized you kind of have the same issue here. To be able to get like a quick idea of what this is doing, you need to scroll through a lot of text, read through all of these things, you know. Okay, it's like type system or table records. It's in a book. Where's the link to the book? You know, these things are not very visible. That's all I'm gonna say. Like that. Otherwise, this looks great. Just needs a bit of improvement on how to showcase it, you know. But good stuff. Let the code sell itself. That doesn't work all the time, you know. Well, to be able to do that, you just have to put the code as one of the like first things that you mentioned in the repo as well. Okay, yep. Yeah, that's all I'm gonna say. I hope that was useful feedback for you. Numerical method lab. So this is your first Rust project, right, Vitaly? I'm not even gonna clone this. Sorry. Oh shit, this looks advanced already. 5 years ago. Dude. Fucking 07, dude. Like, not gonna even like say anything about your code, because this is 5 years ago. Like, this is some old school Rust. Not really, but you know. Well, no, 10 out of 10. Thanks for the feedback, man. Still more work for me. Yeah, no worries. I even use inline. Jesus Christ. This guy born with Rust. Good stuff, bro. Manual formatting. Yeah. You have inline here. Dude. Really good stuff. It's like a time machine for you, probably, just looking at your old code. You have println and everything, like all the wiki stuff. But still, you have some kind of like iterators and like these, whatever these are. You have like generic traits going on, so quite good. I came from C++. Good shit. Good shit, man. I like it. There's not much to say because it's your one of your first Rust projects, so yeah, just gonna move on, man. But thanks for sharing. Thanks for sharing. Tsukai, the app provides an interactive typing experience with switchable templates designed to help users improve their typing speed and accuracy. Alright. Is this a TUI? Holy shit. Ratatui? Ratatouille, come on. Ratatouille, yeah, okay. 100 out of 10. Can we get W's in the chat? Ratatouille project. W's in the chat, please. Nice. Finally, someone with the Ratatouille project. Sorry, it's no offense, but you know, Ratatouille has a different place in my heart. You know, just gotta love the rat. You know what I'm saying? There's no log file, though. Thanks everybody. Everyone's just typing W. That's awesome. All right. Is the author still in the chat though? Who was the author of this project? I totally missed who sent this. Can you just show yourself, please? Come on. Who was it? Okay, now there's so many messages in the chat. Oh, Patrick. Patrick, are you still here? Different place in your wallet. Chance historic. Come on, don't say stuff like that. People don't know that we have $30K in the bank. You know, people don't know that. Okay, I'm not gonna flex. I was about to flex, but I barely hold myself. Okay, so not gonna flex. All right, Patrick, shout out to you. Great shit. Let's actually run this. I don't care about the code quality or anything. It's a TUI, so it's good by default. Like that shit is just there as default, you know. You have read? Oh my god, so many dependencies. But anyways, it's not that much actually. So source. You have terminal rs. Oh man, I'm so excited to try this out. Yo, how do I submit for open source review? Just type in your username and the repository name in the chat. Don't send a link, it won't work for some reason. Or what you can do is, one second, there's the chat box, right? And there's like a emoji icon, right? You saw that? Cool. Next to the emoji icon, there is this box. There must be a box with S in it. So that S is actually for submitting, right? It's not something else. So that S is for submit, right? So click the box with the S in it, and then after you click it, there'll be some options there, and click one of them, doesn't matter, and there will be an input field. And in the input field, you basically think of a very big number. Just put the biggest number into the input, right? I hope you're following me. I hope you're following. All right. I assume that you understand all of those steps. And then after that, there will be a screen for some more inputs. And in this screen, it asks for something called credit card. Now you might be asking, what is that? Well, you don't have to worry about it. Just go to your just find one of your parents. I'm assuming you're living with your parents because you're watching the stream. Everyone who watches the stream, just kids. Find one of your parents. Go to their purse, right? Take the thin plastic thing from the purse. Enter the numbers. Click OK, and then we'll talk about the rest of the steps. All right. I hope that was clear. Sorry, guys. It's gonna move on. That's a lot of modules. Yes, that's a lot of modules. It will be a pain to. Got it. It'll be a pain to review. ModRS. What do we have in ModRS? First thing that I want to say, if you have ModRS files and just one module, I would rename this to stat helper, because it doesn't help to have like a file with just one line, you know? Yeah, don't forget about the 3-digit code. Exactly. Yeah. But yeah, in all honesty, like in all, like, let me be serious now. Just give me your username and the repo in the chat. All right. Anyways, moving on. Oh, activities, just public type. What? 22 viewers, bro. You are going Primogen mode so hard. Primogen is watching the stream right now, probably. Shout out to my man. How's it going, Prime? You know. Yeah, I cannot say that I like this very much. I don't know why there's an activities RS with just one type at least. So yeah, and too many modules and too many small modules. You know, we don't like small things. That's what she said. Anyways, looking at the other modules that we have the generate, I don't know, man. Yeah, it's hard to figure out what these are. Sorry, but you need to, like, you need to have a clear structure. You need to add more comments into the code and maybe avoid these modules with a single line, you know. That would be okay. We have ratatui stuff in there. Let me just read this very quickly. Ratatui, wait, now that ratatui is in another JS framework. I like the use of emojis in there, so good job. You know what? It would be better if I just run this and take a look, because otherwise, wait, what? Layout, Neptune, anime, Deadpool, Wolverine, the fuck is going on in there? Dude. 10 out of 10. You have all the popular stuff in there, like Rust, Wolverine. More comments, so we nonsense maxing. I'm prepared to get roasted. Let's just say that I don't think I use Rust the way it wants you to. It's not possible, man. You have to use the Rust in the way that it wants you to, because the burrow checker and everything. You just have to, like, there's no other way around. But if you still able to write shitty Rust code, then that's another achievement. So shout out to you in that case. All right, Tukai, let's run it now. Guys, I really missed some projects. I need to scroll up and find the other links. So I would appreciate if you send them again. If you're still watching, just send them again, because it will be so hard to find it again. Please, sorry, just rookie mistake. Anyways, holy shit, looks nice. Exit, reset, layout. Let's change the layout. We have anime, so I'm gonna go with the anime, of course. Of course, right? Like, there's no doubt. Like, these are Deadpool. All right, this looks cool. Wolverine, nice, but we're gonna go with anime. Fuck it. Going full anime mode today. Next suggester adds a backdoor quickly on the background. No. Please don't. Why are layouts named after anime characters? Bro, ask Patrick. Patrick, why? Anyways, let's try this. Fuck. My audio input is acting up right now. That's the anime power. Fuck. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, cool, I did it. Skill issued. So what do I do now? Practice today, master tomorrow. What does that mean? That sounds like laziness. Try again. Yeah, I don't mean borrowing, I mean like, you know, writing highly reusable code with generics, writing my own traits and stuff like that. Like I wrote a small API integration, but it's pretty shitty and not reusable, so to say. Just did the job for the task I had to solve during that project. That's fair. Indicate time, room, speech, animal, him, account. Dang, it ran out of characters. Man, you were typing with me. My G. Love it. Thanks for being a good companion. Alright, guys, are you ready? Should I do it again? I think I did 75. I can do better. If my audio input starts... Wait, let me just... 1 second. Maybe it's about the anime. Maybe it's about the anime stats. Oh, I can see the stats here too. Nice. I like it. Quite a good project. What was the name of it again? It's get out of my face, Bongo Cat. What are you doing in one of my tabs? Bro, Patrick, if you're still here, please create releases for this. I love it. But since there are like no releases, it's hard to package it, you know? Do it with Dactylo enabled. Alright. My man, Transistoric is always smart, so we're gonna do that right now. In case you don't know, Dactylo is a project that I made, which enables you to play typewriter sounds. So I gotta find out which... Oh my god, I have so many things in there. I think I can run it from here though. 1 second. Patrick goes, can you create Git tags or GitHub releases? Yeah, I'm gonna package on AR and be faster than Orhun. Not possible. Did you already create a package? No way. Bro, I have God mode on Arch Linux. I can just take your package, ban your account. You know, I can do everything. It sounds very weird without the music, by the way. Let me get the music going. I have the God mode. I can no clip in Arch. I can like no clip through the packages, you know? Alright, guys, just send your projects. Alright, send your projects. What's next? There's this one. Kartiki. Are you still in the chat? Kartiki. Let me find another one. Unsponsored on Arch. If any Arch people watching this stream, sorry guys, but you gotta flex, you know, you gotta flex all those skills, you know. I've been packaging for what, like 10 years now? 3 years for whatever, gotta flex. But I'm kidding. Just for the record, I'm kidding. Don't sue me because I did all of those bad things about Arch, okay? Arch, by the way. I'm just gonna fix all my sentences. I wanted to set Arch by the way, not like Arch Linux or Arch. It's by the way. Ends with by the way. Anyways, all right. This is working now. List devices. Come on. All right. Device pipe wire. You guys hear it? I guess you hear it. Thank you for the... Sorry for being super distracted, by the way. I couldn't give you like a good code review, but I like the app, you know? Alright, I guess you guys hear it now. Right? 1 second. Alright. Kartiki, okay, I'll take a look at your project in a second. Let me... First type some words. All right, be ready. Get ready to become deaf after this. All right, let's go. God damn it. Okay, I did worse. I did worse. No, I did better? No. I don't know, guys. I did the same. So, in case you don't know, we have some presets in there. So, what you can do is, you can, wait, let me list the presets. Presets. You can do stuff like drum kit. There you go. Now we're talking. You know, stuff like that. And what are the other presets? It's actually quite fun. It's better than I remembered. Dactylo. There's Dactylo. There we go. Quite funny. Music box. But okay, just for the people who watch the stream, there's one preset that is not mentioned anywhere, right? It's quite. It's one of the rarest things in the Orhun lore, all right? And I'm gonna just expose it. Are you ready? So this preset is called AK-47. There you go. Yeah, okay. You get the idea. You get the idea. And there is one, like, there are some Easter eggs that just play every whatever years, or like some like that, you know. I don't remember the details, but some stuff are very random. Just remember that. So yeah, I like the Vitaly's reaction. Big chest to the floor. Alright, good stuff with the Tsukai. That's where you become deaf. Alright, vaccine notifier. This is JavaScript though. I cannot really comment on your JavaScript code. Maybe I can. Let's see. Just a single JavaScript file. Oh, enable application access on your Gmail with steps given here. That's a lot of work. That's a lot of work. There's cron schedule, which I never seen before. Okay, not cron. Oh, you did some automation for checking your vaccination thing, probably. Okay, I see. It's more like a script than a project then, right? Vaccine available. I see. Well, I mean, it works for you. It works. So, not gonna say anything. It's basically like a JavaScript. It's the right usage of JavaScript. It's a script written in JavaScript. You know, so good. I mean, good enough, man. What do you have in the end file? Did you expose your password? No. Okay, then all good. Let me see your comment messages though. Not conventional comments. Anyways, I think Transistor sent some link. Transistor, what was the repo? Transfer arrive. Let's see. Arrive sounds very abstract. I'm curious now. Alright. What the hell? I knew that you were a bot, but why do you have a special character in your name? Not really, I just miscopied something. Okay. Simple CLI tool for interacting with advent of code. Nice. Orhun, check the AUR. Check for what? What did you do? Use git glyph in the release CI. 10 out of 10 already. I don't even need to look at the code. It's written Rust and just Rust would be nice, but Rust and just is also okay, I think. So you set the token and then you select some challenge, right? Show the current selection, day completion status, input. Did you create the Tukai Git? If so, thanks man. I can finally install it. For the web commands. Alright, I see. Deeply inspired by some other project which was written in Go probably. Let's see. Now it's Rust again. Why did you create this one then? Just for fun? Or did you solve some other problem that one couldn't solve, or did you add something new, or what? Why am I interrogating you? You're free to do whatever. I'm just asking questions. Alright, let's take a look at the code now. Okay, I can suggest the Rust repo. The repo is cool and all, but the thing there is the code formatting. I've never seen people to format code like that. Just send it, man. I'm curious. Just send it. I'm sold. JavaScript learning when? Saturday. Alright. It works slightly different. Okay. Where's the librs file? You don't want people to use this as a library. I see. You wanna have this thing just for yourself, huh? Just for the CLI user, not to other Rust people who want to use this as a library. What the hell? Okay, do submit. What is minrec? Simple minimal dependency HTTP client. I think I saw this before, but it's been a while. Where did you find this, dude? Simple minimal dependency HTTP client. Okay, start it. Actually, yeah. Is this active? 4 months ago. It's nice though. I didn't know a minimal HTTP client existed in the Rust ecosystem. I mean, it looks nice. Vitaly, just send a link, by the way, or just send the username and repo if you want. You can take a look. Minrec is even smaller than urec and requests. Interesting. At some point, you might. I mean, I start asking questions like why the Rust standard library, or like Rust doesn't have these things such as the HTTP client as default and stuff like that. Maybe it should be a part of the standard library at some point. I don't know. That's controversial. I don't want to create controversy. I'm not Primeagen yet. One day I'll say something like Rust does not have this thing in STD and start learning Go, and then next day you'll go to my channel and I'll have like a 1 or 2 million subscribers, you know. It happens. Transfer. This thing looks good. What do you want me to say? This thing looks good, man. I mean, there are like a lot of. I feel like there are like lot of helper functions though. That's something that I don't like that much. I would usually group things together, like as a module or like a struct, because otherwise you kind of break the separation of concerns principle, and you just it ends up like a kitchen sink. You have these function in the kitchen sink, you have another thing, and then after some point it gets too crowded, you know. So I would probably group some of these functionalities together under some struct or under something, you know, and then yeah, use that instead, write unit tests and so on. So yeah, but yeah, this looks good, man. Get details save for FFI live in lib file, just the formatting. Okay, let's see. Is this like, does this contain some kind of a backdoor that is only being enabled when you go to the librs and run cargo fmt or something? Write safer FFI code in Rust without polluting it with unsafe code. Okay, this was a good start already. Let's clone it. I like the visualization there. Give them a star, why not? Maybe it's me, but I believe modules group functions well enough if I don't have a use for structs. Fair enough. You skipped me. What did you send? I didn't see it. If you sent a link, it doesn't. Yeah, the YouTube does not allow links, so you have to like type in your username and the repo name instead. Links does not work. But I'm looking at the chat and I don't see it. So maybe send it again. Alright, librs, right? Oh my god, there's too many. First of all, why does it start with an underscore? Bro, what is... Okay, so far it's fine. So far it's oh my god, they use the opening curly brace as okay. I feel like I'm getting like I'm a bit out of breath by just reading the code a bit. Look at the comma, just chilling there, you know. This comma is like, hell yeah, man, what you doing, like, what's poppin', you know, just chilling on this big space, chillin', comma. Try not to use as. Yeah, I don't see anything that you send. Just do, yeah, username and repo. Or just give me, like, just let me know about your username and I'll find it. What is your username? Becomes having drinks on a beach, yeah. Oh my god, look at this. Use what? I don't even see this character. What in the world? Use like 2 underscores as a box. Let's peek Rust. Okay, I'll find the repo, don't worry. Font issue, dude. This. But I mean, why am I having font issue in the code? Like, I mean, like you didn't use, you're not supposed to use emojis as, okay, whatever. Peak Rust. Use 2 underscores as a box. I never forget that. This is again a font issue. I don't know what this character is supposed to look like actually. Let's see in the Libres. Well, on my phone, like Firefox, it's the same as well. What is this supposed to look like then? Bro, is this emoji code? Yeah, what's going on here? Actually, I'm a bit curious about the git blame. It would be so funny if the git blame was something like add emoji or something. Stabby. Guys, peak Rust code. Do you understand this? If you don't understand this, you're not writing Rust, alright? You gotta understand what's going on in this code. Just, you know, this is just checking is niche. And is niche is basically is null. That's my life philosophy actually. Just if something is null, then it's niche. You know what I'm saying? Like, for some reason it's very fun to look at this code, but I don't understand shit. I kind of understand these things, but not. Oh my god, oh my god, look at this. Maybe I'm just a rookie, that's why I don't get it. Emoji. You don't get blame here, only happy Bob Ross comments. Shout out to my homie Bob Ross. Can we get W's in the chat for my homie Bob Ross? My man, rest in peace. W's for Bob Ross, come on. Orhun gets blame my code yesterday. Is that a flex? W actually stands for West Side. Anyways, hell yeah! Look at the formatting. Look at this. Like, of course, if you have a struct defined like this, you just gotta add a new line here, you know. And also, you just don't do this, right? You gotta add a new line. Actually, this is not correct. I'll show you the actual way. First of all, if you define a struct, what you want to do is actually put this thing there, 2 tabs, you know, and like this, but like this. All right, this is the actual way. This is wrong, but now it's correct. This is how you should approach the formatting. Now onto the second part. This is also wrong, because you have to add a new line here, 2 new lines, right? And another new line, but like 10 tabs, you know? Rust prog macros. Okay, and then like what you want to do is just stretch the braces, right? And then like this, you know, just to make it readable, But yeah, sorry. Sorry. Trade implement shenanigans. Dude, this literally is called shenanigans. Like this trait. Oh my god, what's going on? Oh my god, this formatting is wrong as well. You have to add 2 new lines and like 4 tabs and like another new line, and then like this one should be at the beginning actually. Yeah, okay, like this. Right? You gotta fix your formatting, dude. Come on. If anyone's watching the stream from this project, I'm sorry. I'm just ripping on you, but you know, your code is very rippable. Sorry. This is forbidden Rust. Okay, pointer. Let's see the pointer. Look at this. The public thing is on the same line as the name of the type. That's art. That's nice. What else do we have? Oh my god. Dude, what is this semicolon doing over here? What? Chillin', semicolon, hell yeah. Alright. Now we fixed it. Anyways, I'm gonna check out Ubemmer's project. Alright, what was it about again? Something with chatbot. Telegram CV chatbot, alright. Telegram chatbot retrieving information regarding CVs from the NIST. Okay, cool. Cool. Semi-chillin'. Alright, Telegram CV chatbot. I'm guessing you use request, Tokyo, Gen PDF. Why do you need that? Frankenstein. Never heard of that one too. You're kind of advanced in Rust. What is Frankenstein? Frankenstein. Telegram bot API client for Rust. Okay, that makes sense. How about the GenFeed PDF? User-friendly PDF generator written pure Rust. Okay, cool. So you don't have an N file. How do you read the token for the bot? Bot config. Where's the bot config? Alright. Yeah, this can be just replaced with N file, to be honest. You don't have to read JSON and deserialize it. Right? This is fair, but I would not use expect. I would properly handle errors. Just use anyhow if you don't want to use the dynamic error thing with the bugs. Just use anyhow. That's better. You don't want to panic. Just bubble up the errors and return them at the end, right? Alright, what do we have? Console. Telegram bot start. Okay, LSB stop first of all. LSB stop, because I don't want to build your project. That was not a, yeah, you know, I would be happy to build your project, but just looking at the code right now. I don't want to be offensive here. I already did so many, I committed so many sins with the previous project already. I don't want to be too harsh on this. There's nothing to be harsh about yet. Start command, send message. This seems a bit unnecessary. No, maybe. Yeah, okay, it's cool. Add comments to your functions, dude. Like, yeah, this seems like the formatting is a bit off here, but it's fine. And also, why do you return true from this? It should be, I think you need to use result type here instead of returning true. This is my first Rust project. Oh, then that's cool. Wait a second, my audio is acting up. Don't have to build it. You need to bot token test that, so it's hassle. Okay, I see. You gotta review highlight OS today. What was that? I think you sent it yesterday, or what was it again? For a first Rust project, I think this is good. Like I said, use result type with proper error type. Like just use it anyhow, and instead of returning booleans, maybe return result to indicate success or error, you know. But other than that, seems fine. The code is feels a bit cluttered, but I think that's because of the formatting, and like there are like no comments. You have some tests here. I would probably use temp directories for this. The kernel in Rust by me. Okay, I'll take a look. Man, now that see this, it was a while ago, but yeah, it's bad. Like the use of booleans, etc. It's fine, man. It's fine. We all make mistakes. I don't, but you know, you all do. So that was a joke. That was a joke. Don't take this seriously. But yeah, I think it's cool. Like even for a first Rust project, I think it's cool. So yeah, I mean, I think if you can call it kernel, it's more like a 1% of a kernel. It's still a kernel, man. I just want to see my Minesweeper played on stream. Touching fingers emoji. Of course, I'll play it. What was the name? What was the name of the project? I think I have it in my list somewhere. But if you can just send it again, I will be happy. I think it was on Codeberg and it was something called. I don't remember. But yeah, that's all I'm gonna say. It's a good structure. Just need more comments and more like fixing the result types and stuff like that. And overall, cool stuff, man. What would you use for the? Okay, there isn't much CI. Fair. Enum2, right? Okay. There was this one from Mert. It's been archived though. Modular synchronous embedded key value database. Interesting. Yeah, I got you, Mert, don't worry. 9 different commands available. Syntax. Oh, this you basically created your own database. That's such a flex. I mean, imagine going to a date and then saying that, hey, did you know that I created my own database? It's a key value storage. There are like 9 available commands. You know what I'm saying? You wanna go to my place maybe, and you got it. Else you'll get a subpar experience. Okay, I'll disable Zellige while trying out. Don't worry. Thanks for the heads up. You're using VS Code. -1 points for that. Just kidding. It's fine. I mean, I respect all the different choices out there, even though they are very wrong. But yeah, I respect them. So this project was for a course. I didn't even use CI during development. I had basic CI long after the project was finished. Right before I made it public, just for show. Okay, got it, fair enough. You can use Gitcliff for the changelog, by the way. Gitcliff is a tool that is for changelog generation, created by someone very awesome. And gitcliff.org, go and check it out. Also, if you say good things about Gitcliff, I will put your name on the website. I updated the website, so tomorrow there will be another section here, testimonials. So just go ahead on Twitter, say good things about Gitcliff, and you'll end up on this page, on the main page of Gitcliff, and I'll just quote your whatever you have said. So go ahead. Anyways, enough self-promo. I respect every IDE texter except JetBrains and Nano. What's wrong with Nano? These are the examples. I wanna take a look at the examples first. Storage news. Okay, cool API. I like the API first of all. The query seems nice. I don't want to build a project. 1 second. Set permission. I don't know what's wrong with my audio today. 8 serve. This is for the server. You used Tokyo, Axum. You probably know what you're doing. Let's see. WebSocket. Just taking a look at the random files. You know. Where do you have the parser? For the language, for the queries? Where is it? Oh man, something is going really wrong with my editor right now. Oh, you have many modules, too many modules to visit here. Oh my god, it's gonna be a pain for Rust Analyzer. Alright, I'm just gonna use the mouse. Or what I said good things about Gilpy, where's my name? Just send me the tweet or just link to that. I can add it. Get clipped by anonymous Giga Chat, yeah. Nano is just unconfigurable and has very poor UX and UI. Nano is the ad that never was. Yeah, JetBrains ID is a very good workstation stress test. So where's your parser in this? I'm curious about the parser actually. I'm most curious about that. Nice, you use the minimal image here. Dude, you know what you're doing. 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. Okay, moving on. Just let me know where's the parser and I'll go back to it. JetBrains is a great OS, but it's missing a proper text width. It's not fucking Emacs. Emacs is the OS, you know. What are we gonna take a look at now? The NM2E, right? Guys, the last 5 minutes of stream, so just send whatever you have really quick. Is it on Codeberg or GitHub Transistoric? Its own language folder. Okay, let's see. Language. Alright, this is what I want to see. You have the Lexer. And I'm a bit curious about why you didn't use like a parser library. Who knows, maybe IdeaWim isn't trash nowadays. Yeah, who knows? I forgot about Highlightos. Wait, I have Transistoric in the line. Or was it you first? I don't remember. Okay. Yeah, my only question is why you chose to write everything. Like, why is it Lexer parser everything instead of you going for like a library solution? Let me check out Highlightos actually. Codeberg. Of course, we're reading the README in Italian, right? Compilare da sorgente su Mac/Linux. Kernel principale. Requisiti. Shout out to my Italian homies. Shout out to Marco. He's not watching the stream probably. God damn you, Marco. Where you at? No special reason, this was a toy project, as you can see from it's already archived. Oh, I see. Then it's fair. Alright, I'm not gonna compile this kernel, sorry. First of all. Kernel. Spin, what is spin? Some type stuff going on there, and also what is volatile? Row pointers, okay, cool. Okay, so many modules. Don't have time to go through each one. Oh my god, there's so many key handling stuff. Libres, unsafe code. Minus 1 out of 10. The kernel. And Historic likes it. Memory. Unsafe return. Bro, this thing is a beast. what you're doing in there. I don't understand shit from it. You don't have any comments whatsoever. That you have one. Thank God. Dude, I don't understand the code. Like, to be honest, I don't know what's going on. You have a to-do, like... Bro, where is the description of the to-do? Like, you have a to-do, like, what am I gonna do here? Like, to-do. Yeah, remove it. That's the to-do, I guess. But then, like, what's the context? Why do you remove it? Why do you have it there? And why did you put that thing there? Like, what's going on? Bro, don't minus me for unsafe code. I was just kidding. What is this, Solaris? You can write a kernel in safe Rust. RIP. Alright, what do you have in config here? Okay, you have a book too. This is a real kernel. And where is the Italian translation for the book? Like, what? You just translated the readme to Italian and just left the book in English. That's not very good, man. You have the assembly. Okay. Cool. Okay. I don't know what to say. It's assembly and the kernel things. I guess it's cool. Would be nice to see how it looks like though. You have a thing in there. Let's watch it. Nice. You have like a little shell prompt going on there. Is this Kimu? It's probably Kimu. Kiemu. I don't know. Cool stuff, man. Overall, huge thanks to everyone who contributed. Okay. Nice. Just gonna go to Codeberg for ratatui. Let me clone it. Does it run Doom? Fair question. Don't detonate. Detonate. Oh, wait, how do I actually pronounce this? Detonate? Detonate. Detonate. Okay, do not detonate. Fuck, whatever. Let's clone it. I cloned it. Let's build it. Let's build it with the latest backdoor, hopefully. Wanna get the latest backdoor experience. Alright, no space left on the device. Awesome. You just detonated on my disk. I gotta delete some stuff. 1 second. This is the life of a Rust developer. You gotta... Do you wanna know how big is my target folder is right now? Okay, let's see. Alright. My target folder, currently it is... Still takes some time. It's 875 gigabytes. I'm gonna remove some stuff in there just to make some room for your ratatui. Libbevy. Remove that too. I don't know. This shouldn't be the way, by the way. I need a better, like a larger disk. Glues. Starship. I don't know why I have Starship stuff in there. Okay, this should be enough. It's the struggle, man. Struggle of a Rust developer. Do is hanging on it. Alright, I built it. So you want me to quit Zelish and run it on a like a... Alright. Let's go. Bruh. That was a very short run. What? Oh, I'm so stupid. Okay, I don't know, just gonna... Okay. I suck at this game, as you can already tell. What? I think about it, I wasn't that familiar with Linux and such when writing that chatbot also. That's why I didn't think of environment variables, which I use all the time now. Wait, environment variables, are they Unix? I think they're just files, so yeah, I mean, they're both Unix and Linux, I guess. Difficult to beginner. What do you mean? What do you mean, Transistor? You're saying that I'm a beginner? Because I am. Alright, let me finish this actually. I wanna... Dude, I'm so stupid. Oh my god. I don't get it. Like, okay, there's one... So... One means just one mine, right? Let me know. Okay, I don't know. I don't know how to play this actually. Okay, one, two, 4. So this is just 4. Okay, 1, 3. Oh shit. I'm very close. I'm very close. Bro, YouTube has such small size limit on the chat. Bro, it's easy. Just play it then, dude. Make this thing multiplayer, by the way. The numbers say how many mines is the position touching. Thanks for the Minesweeper 101. So, yeah, which one do I pick now? This. Oh shit. Okay, anyways, it's hard. You can flag with right click. Oh, that's nice. Okay, is there any other projects? Because I'm gonna just go now. It was a nice stream. It was a nice stream, and thanks to everyone who joined and submitted their project. I appreciate that. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you didn't get offended by my comment. I'm just a humble open source developer who's doing things in his free time, and I don't want to get anybody offended by some comments. I mean, I'm just a guy on the internet. Why would you get offended by someone on the internet? It's just fucking internet, dude. Thanks for playing, no problem. That's right. Archery Pro status, just remember, okay. Alright. Bongo chat. Let's play some bongo chat. There was the Linkin Park one. Alright, 330. Let's pull this thing up here. Alright. Move it on the second. Okay. Let's go in the end. Hell yeah, Linkin Park on bongos. Let's make some music. careful, DMC copyright. I don't think they will copyright Bongo Cat, man. That would be kind of weird. But if they do, that means that I played it perfectly, which makes me happy. So at the end, I just win either way. It's like we're in a live concert. So you wanna see me DJ a bit? One second. Where's the machine tree? I need to get to the machine tree. Actually. No, machine tree is better. Only be machine tree. Alright, there we go. Machine 2. Yeah, 2 is also good. Come on, Ruffle. Alright, no melody. Just kick. Maybe bass. No, just remove that. Shout out to our boys from Ruffle, exactly. Anyways, guys, it was fun. Just gonna go now. Thanks for tuning in once again. I'm gonna see you in the next stream. And maybe I should do more of these streams. It was fun. Just let me know. Join the Discord, by the way, if you're still watching. And if you're not a part of the Discord, just join. I'm gonna send a link to the chat. And alright, take a look at the merch. Hit me up if you want one of these t-shirts. I'll hook you up with one of them. Hopefully, I don't know, we'll see. Anyways, everybody, I'm gonna go now. Take care, stay safe, keep writing Rust, take a look at Zig maybe. Go is a nice language, by the way, and see you in the next one. Right, I'm gonna slowly ascend. Say what you want to say real quick, because I'm going. Thanks for Gitcliff. Thank you for using it. That's the most important part. I'm just ascending, so I won't be able to read your comments very soon. If you have something to say, just say it. Just say it. Alright. See you in the next one. Oh my god. Oh shit. Oh.